Today we will learn the conjugation of the regular verbs in Präsens in German. First, let's have a look at the pronouns. The pronouns, that is the word that indicates the person we are talking about, and they determine the ending of the verbs. Verbs are the words that usually express an activity or an action. In German, as in many other languages, we distinguish between singular and plural, so either a single person or more people. The first person always includes your own perspective, either in singular, as you alone, or in plural, as a part of a group. We use the second person for our direct counterpart when we talk to either one person or more than one person. We use the third person when we are talking about a person or a group of people. And in German, we also distinguish between three grammatical genders, whether we are talking about a group of people or whether we are formally addressing a person or a group of people. Let's pronounce the pronouns together. We have ich, du, sie, es, wir, ihr, sie, and the formal sie, which will be pronounced the same way. Now, how do we conjugate the verbs? In German, the ending of the verb changes depending on the pronoun. Let's call this for now Verbendung, the ending of the verb. For the first person singular, we will add the ending I, in German e. For the second person singular, we will add st, in German st. And for the third person singular, we will add just t, t. For the first person plural, we will add en, in German en. For the second person plural, we will add t, t. And for the third person plural, we will add again en. The same goes for the formal version. Let's test this with the verb kommen. In German, we don't often say we are from a country, but rather we come from a country. In most contexts, we use the verb kommen with the preposition aus. When conjugating a regular verb, we first remove the ending en. What remains is called the stem of the verb, in German Verbstamm. We now add the ending we need for the respective pronoun to the stem of the verb. That would be as follows. Ich komme, du kommst, kommt, sie kommt, es kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie oder sie formell kommen. By the way, we can easily distinguish between the different forms of sie. In texts, we always write the formal sie with capital letters. And we also have the ending of the verb, which shows whether it is singular or plural or formal. And of course, we usually have a social context as well. So, let's look at a complete sentence. In my case, I say, ich komme aus Deutschland. Now I can change the pronouns and add the different endings to the verb. For example, du kommst aus Deutschland. Sie kommt aus Deutschland. Or ihr kommt aus Deutschland. Here are a few more regular verbs that you can practice with. Wohnen, leben, lernen, fragen, schreiben, hören, telefonieren, notieren. For the conjugation, we remove en and add the new ending. For example, ich lerne. Ich lerne Deutsch. Ihr hört. Ihr hört Musik. Und jetzt bist du dran.